Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making the best bread for Christmas. Soft, warm, and absolutely perfect for the holidays. So let's get started. First, pour the milk into a cup. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next, add the yeast. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix everything well, then let it rest for about 10 minutes. Now that our yeast mixture is ready, add the vanilla and then 2 eggs. Bring the bowl of flour, make a well in the center, give it a gentle stir until everything is combined. And pour in the mixture. Add the sugar as well. Then start mixing all the ingredients together. Mix slowly at first so the flour doesn't spill. Then a little faster as the dough comes together. Scrape the sides of the bowl and bring all the flour into the center. Keep mixing until you get a soft, slightly sticky dough. Once the dough is formed, add the butter and mix really well until fully combined. It may feel a little slippery at first, but keep mixing until smooth, soft, and shiny. Add the orange zest and knead the dough well so it's evenly distributed. Cover it and let it rest for 1 hour. During this time, it will rise and become light and fluffy. Now add the raisins, walnuts, and figs. Give the dough a light knead to mix everything together. Grease your work surface lightly with oil. Take the dough out and start kneading it well until smooth, elastic, and the fruits and nuts are evenly spread. Roll the dough into a long log shape, then coil it into a round shape. Take your time to shape it nicely for a beautiful result. Place the dough into a baking pan and let it rest for the final rise about 1 hour. Now our dough is ready and puffed up. Brush the top generously with butter. Place it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for about 40 minutes until golden brown. In the final step, sprinkle powdered sugar over the bread like snow. This adds a sweet touch and makes it look festive and beautiful. And here's our Christmas bread, soft, fluffy, and golden. The aroma of orange fills the kitchen, bringing all the holiday vibes. Enjoy every bite